Alright, what's up guys? You guys are gonna love this video. Alright, I'm actually can guarantee you guys a minimum $2,000 per month income. I can guarantee you that, guys. Let me tell you why. I've done this over and over and over and over, year after year after year. You guys can go to my Facebook if you want. I'll put a link to my Facebook below this video. Go to my Facebook and look, guys, on my timeline, year after year after year after year after year after year after year. See what I've done. I actually show you guys. I've lived my life out in front of you guys for years. So, teaching you how to do a $2,000 per month income, we're talking just minimum $2,000 per month, guys. We're not even talking about $2,000 a month. We're talking $50,000 per month, $100,000 per month, guys. How do you make that type of miracle money? That's like miracle stuff, right? How do you do that? I'm going to start off with just $2,000 per month and be able to guarantee it within a 30-day period. And I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. Okay, I will put my money where my mouth is, and what I'm going to do is actually I will give you, if I cannot pull off for you and your family a minimum $2,000 per month income. We're going to try to do more than that, but I want to do at least a minimum $2,000 for you guys within 30 days. If I can't do it within a 30-day period, I will give you one of my $5,000 programs. I have a $5,000 program where I teach you how to do $100,000 in one day. Listen to this, guys, in one day without a list. Anybody can do it with a list. How do you do it without a list? Years ago, probably 7 to 8 years ago, I actually came up with the method to do that. It was a challenge to myself because with my products, guys, you can make about, with a $25 product online, you can make a minimum around about $100,000 per year with one product. You really can't do $1 million a year with a $25 product, guys, unless you're just spending astronomical amounts on ads and stuff. But making $100,000 with one product, about a $25 product per year, is doable. So my challenge was, can I do that in one day? I actually was just challenging myself, and I actually got on my knees and asked God to help me, which is what I always do, guys. Do use the knee method. I don't make no bones about that. I get on my knees and ask God to help me with this stuff. So God, can you show me a way to do $100,000 in one day? Once again, anybody can do it with a list, but then I said without a list. How can I do this without a list? And the answer came to me, and I actually did it quite a few more times. The only thing is, honestly, I don't need the money anymore, and it does get boring after a while of doing the same thing over and over and over. So, but this method is real. In fact, it's so real, guys, I will even teach it to you live. I will teach you how to do $100,000 in one day without a list, live. Why live? That way you can call me out if I'm full of crap. I don't hide behind none of that, guys, like all these other gurus. I don't hide behind a bunch of DVDs, sending them to your house, hope you don't return it. No, I will teach you this method live. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm offering this to 20 people. Okay, it's the first 20 only. If this is not your cup of tea, guys, I'm not talking to you. Okay, you will be basically irrelevant to what we're doing. Now, what I mean by irrelevant, guys, is not a bad thing. It's just that we're not looking for the no's. We're not looking for the people that actually do not want to better their lives and do something extremely successful that works. Most of the people online right now, guys, unfortunately, are get-rich-quick junkies. I'm hoping you're not one of them, but you see them. If you're not one of them, you see them, guys, right? It's the ones that go out and get on brand new programs about every 3 weeks to 3 months. Oh my God, this is going to do it for me. Oh my, right? Get-rich-quick junkies, guys. We're not really looking for those type people. So they're irrelevant. They're not going to help our cause at all. So unfortunately, we have to go through those, right? You may be one just right now, someone across this video, and you're probably going to X out and move on or whatever, right? Go back to whatever you were doing, which is probably nothing. What we're going to do, what I'm looking for is 20. Only 20, guys. 20 people. I'm going to actually experiment with 20 the first 30 days. I'm going to experiment with you guys. Because honestly, total honest with you, I don't want to give you my $100,000 in one day without this program for free. I don't want to do that. I've charged $5,000 for that program, guys. I don't want to give that to you. So I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I will actually allow you to come prove me wrong. Prove my methods and my traffic software, which is what you're going to be using. You're going to be using one of my Facebook softwares to be able to pull this off. Prove me wrong that I can't do this for you in 30 days. I'm also, guys, I'm going to be live with you 3 times a week. Monday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you can't make it, we do have replays of the videos of the trainings, but I will be training you guys live on how to do these methods. Also, get questions and answers. I'm going to allow you guys to ask me questions. My thing, guys, is with you 20, I need you guys to pull this off. And I'm going to do everything I can to be able to prove that this works, that my methods works to any stranger online. Like if you're just a stranger, I want to prove to you that I can actually allow you to have a $2,000 per month income online. It's not hard to do, guys. You just need to be correctly taught how to do this. That's all. You haven't been correctly taught all the real stuff about this online marketing. How does it really work? Okay, so this is my offer. You're going to come. What I want you to do is you're going to have to try my 30. The program we're going to use, guys, is This Is Not MLM Junior. It's a $25 per week program. So you are going to have to pay $25 4 weeks straight. Okay, that's 30 days. We're going to use that program to pull this off. So what I'm going to do is put a link down below this video. You'll see it down there. So thisisnotmlm.com link. You'll see it below this video. Click on that link. Go watch the This Is Not MLM program, junior program, the $25 program. That's the program. What I want you to understand is that's the program we're going to use over these 30 days to be able to get you a $2,000 per month income. All we need to do, guys, with my software is I'm going to teach you how to use the software, and all we got to do is pull off 20 members. 20 sales is all we got to do. Just a little tiny 20 sales. That's unbelievable, isn't it, guys? Yeah, I know. It's pretty amazing. It's phenomenal. 20 people pays you $25 per week because it's a 100% commission program, which is $100 per month times 20. That's $2,000 per month. So within the next 30 days, I'm going to guarantee you that I can actually teach you how to use my software correctly and properly and go get 20 little tiny minimum 20 members within 30 days, which produces you a $2,000 per month income. And put my money where my mouth is with you 20 guys. If I don't pull it off in 30 days, I will reluctantly give you my $5,000 program. I don't want to do it, and I'm hoping that I don't have to do it. I'm sure there's going to be one or two of you out of 20 that's like lazy or whatever, or maybe, I don't know. So I may have to give it to you. But you other guys that are not lazy, you guys are okay with rolling up your sleeves and getting to work, you're the ones I'm looking for. Okay? You guys good? Now, a little bit about me, guys. Actually, in case you don't know me, I retired myself when I was the age of 40 back in 2006. I've been doing this a long time, guys. I know how to make money online. This is like riding a bicycle to me. I've done rode a bicycle, and I can teach you how to ride this bicycle too. Once again, we're live 3 times a week, so you will not be left behind. I need your undivided attention for at least just 1 month out of your life, guys. Give me 1 month, just a little tiny 30 days out of your life, and see if I can change it. Because I do know, without a shadow of a doubt, having a $2,000 per month income coming into your family's household would change your life. I know that. You don't even have to pay your bills anymore, guys. Allow other people that's buying our product, allow them to pay your bills. All right, you guys good? Okay, so here's the deal. If this does interest you and you actually want to be part of the 20 that actually I do this for in the next 30 days, I want you to do this. Go down below, look at the This Is Not MLM link that's down there. It may be an affiliate link down there, guys, or whatever, but there's a link down there. Click on that link, go watch the video. If you do want to be part of the next 30 days that I actually do this for 20 people, sign up for the program. It only costs you $25 a day to get started. Sign up for the program and come live. Come live tonight. Now, I'm actually, for the first few weeks, guys, I'm actually going to be live every night, Monday through Thursday. Okay? Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, not Fridays, just Monday through Thursday. I'll be live 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every night. You're going to get a link in your email, guys. Once you sign up for the program, you'll get the link. I want you to come introduce yourself tonight. Okay? If this sounds exciting for you guys and it's a little different than what you're doing, give yourself a shot, guys. Give yourself a shot. Come tonight live, introduce yourself. Tell me a little bit about yourself. I'm gonna welcome you and introduce you to the other people, other members we have already, and just come introduce yourself, and I'll see you tonight. Okay? All right. So once again, here's the only steps you need to do. I'm guaranteeing you a $2,000. 20 of you. I'm guaranteeing 20 of you. The first 20 now that sign up today. Guarantee you guys a $2,000 per month income within 30 days. If I don't do it, I will actually give you a live class on a $5,000 program. I will give it live to you guys. $100,000 one day without a list. It's not crap. It's real. You can actually pull it off. I'll give you that class live if I do not make you a minimum, just a minimum, signing up 20 members over the next 30 days with this software that we're going to use. Okay? So click on the link below, go watch the video. If you want to be part of 20 guys, all you got to do is get started today with the $25 fee. That you'll actually go through it and you'll see there's a $25 fee to get started today, and then I'll see you guys tonight live. Once again, the webinar link will be in your email. Come tonight live, guys, and introduce yourself. If you can't come tonight, come tomorrow. But look, you want to go ahead and sign up because these 20 spots should go pretty quick. All right? All right, love you guys. Come over to my Facebook, guys, if you want. I'm actually over here right now. Say hey to me if you want. Message me and say, hey, Vic, this is a pretty freaking cool program. You know, whatever, guys. I'm easy to talk to. You can talk to me, guys. I'm here. I'm here for you guys. This is what I do now. I done made my money, guys. Now I'm just having fun teaching other people and kind of giving back. All right, love you guys. See you guys on my Facebook or tonight live at 8 p.m. Eastern Time.